So we're checking out a brand new item for the site today. This is gonna upgrade a little bit of our protection on the back end. So we want to show this off for you guys. Let's open this box up and we'll talk a little bit about what it does. How does that take that? So weird. Okay. I'm already really liking this. In a pouch. Got two little handles here. Then this is the top. Boom. Okay. So this is a ILOKNZI 12-inch teleprompter, right? So okay. Take that little screen protector off, a little glass frame. Nice. So you can install this onto a regular tripod, just like you would any other tripod. And then this is going to be a mount plate specifically for your camera to sit there. The importance of this is that once you've set your camera up, you can place this at an angle. This at an angle there, and so as the camera films through it, it's going to be able to pick up the tablet underneath it and showcase what's on there. You put this little hood on here. With your camera, of course, filming through the bag. Your camera filming through the bag, you can actually tie this around your lens, which is really important. And now you've got a blackout box that the camera is able to film through the glass without any issues. You release the pins here on the bottom, and then this will extend out. You can put your tablet in there, clamp between those two items, push it in, tighten it up, and now your tablet will be here, and it will project words from the tablet onto this mirrored glass, which then you can read without it affecting the camera. How dope is that? That is really cool. It's all specifically designed to give you just like a really good setup for your use. You've got additional pieces here to help you kind of mount this as needed. They give you a bag with these screws. These screws are pivotal for your little accessories here. So you can actually take this screw and you can actually place it through here. And give yourself an additional arm. And the reason why this arm is important is you can install a secondary monitor here that goes to your camera, that you can actually see your footage back at you. You can put a light on this rig. You can put a microphone on the other one on the other side. So they give you quite a few of these pins, one for, of course, mounting it, and the other for going through here to connect to your new devices that would normally be screw mounted in. And they also give you a remote control. Now, this teleprompter comes with an app that can work on Amazon tablets, Google tablets, and Apple tablets. And this controller will allow you to control the speed at which you're moving the dialogue, reversing, moving back and forward. Really, really solid. This, if you're looking to basically do more written pieces and like at least have notes maybe for your productions that you're working on or filming on, this allows you to really easily and really, affordably be able to up your game a little bit more and help you out so you don't end up losing words, which is very helpful. Hopefully you guys found this interesting. We're going to set this up and let you see what it looks like when it's actually in motion. We'll be right back from that. Well, again, this is a really cool item, and I think you should definitely pick it up. It'll definitely improve your next filmed product. We'll see you guys next time.